I'm here with the Potensic Atom, and this thing is great. It has completely changed the way I make content because it's just so easy to use. As you see, it keeps hovering here beside me, and I can press record here, and then it can, well, record anything that you see, so that's pretty cool. You can move it around. And well, I advise you to use this outside, of course, especially if you want to use the extra features that I'll get into in a minute. But you can turn this around and then you can see that it's recording me as well. So let's turn it a little higher here, a little back, a little lower. So now I'm in frame, so it's pretty easy to set yourself in frame here. Now it is quite loud. I think that's one of the downsides here, but you're not going to use this as close to me as I'm right now. I think the potential here is to use this outside, of course, to make some great scenery shots where if you're vlogging, you want to see everything around you and really set the stage for where you are at that moment, which is I'm doing a lot. And you can also use this to track yourself. You can easily select a target here in the app, and then it will track that target. And then you have a few of these specific movements that you can do. One is automatically track the target, so when I'm walking forward, you can still see me and you can see the drone is following me around, which is pretty cool. And you can also set specific movements like a boomerang, a circle, a spiral around the subject. So you can immediately get really cool, nice looking shots. I think the camera is pretty great, so that's really a plus here if you're going to use this, because if you're going to use this for like your home videos, that's okay. But if you're really going to use this for vlogging, get away from me a bit too close. But if you're really going to use this for vlogging, then intermingling this content with your own camera, then of course it needs to be of high quality, because right now I'm shooting on a DSLR right there, or if you're shooting on an expensive phone, then your video footage will probably look very polished, and then having this polished 4K look of the Potensic drone is also a very big plus to edit that in. So I think it's a really cool thing here. It's very easy to set up. Just connect your phone to this control here. It has a very long range because of these extenders, which is cool. You can easily put this in your bag because it folds up. Even these these joysticks come off, so that's pretty cool as well. So you can unscrew them and then put them in the bag as well. This thing, the legs fold up, and then you can hold that together with a little piece of Velcro, so that's pretty nice, and everything fits inside the bag. Now I got a larger package here with multiple batteries, which is also a good idea to do. That way you never run out of battery, and you can charge the whole battery pack at once. So I think that has been a lifesaver for me, and I really recommend you getting that as well. So this is my review on the Potensic Atom. The whole thing fits in my camera bag, which is pretty nice, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.